Sesi and Code Refreshment is a product that we have released for assignment purposes for the subject introduction of business. We sell various types of soft drink products. There are 6 weeks to complete the assignment, and we managed to sell 125 cups of soft drink within 4 weeks. All business information has been recorded. This assignment based on our sales results on the introduction of business assignment. We show the accurate information of pricing in this assignment. So for our product, we decided to sell RM 2 ringgit per cup. Here are the reasons why we choose the product. First and foremost, it is very reasonable. Secondly, easy access stock. Third, easy to attract customers. And fourth, flexible time. And last but not least, we can make a quick sell.
Okay, so for my part, I'll explain to you guys about our invoice. So this is our operating expenses invoice. So we bought our product from Drinkers with Sendirian Berhad. So as you can see, we buy a couple of things such as cup and lid, straw and ice bag. So for cup and lid, we buy 1 pack of it. So for 1 unit price is 22 ringgit, and so the total is 22 ringgit only. So for the second thing we buy is straw. We buy that for 2 packs, which is 3 ringgit per unit. Then for 2 units we get that for 6 ringgit. And for the last thing we buy is ice bag. Ice bag we buy only 2 because that is enough. So for one we buy it for 5 ringgit, and for the total is 10 ringgit. So the total for all the things we buy is 59 ringgit. So we don't have any tax charges and any shipment fee because we get it by our stuff. Okay, so right now I'll explain to you guys about our statement of profit or loss for the year ended 13 October 2023. So for our sales, we gain about 250 ringgit for total. Then we must deduct it by our cost of goods sales, which is our purchases. That cost us around 112 ringgit. So after we deduct both of them, we will get our gross profit for amount 138 ringgit. And then, like I said before, we must minus our gross profit with our other expenses, which is cup and lid, straw and ice bag. So the total of our other expenses is 39 ringgit. So after total both of them, we will get our net profit. That amount is 99 ringgit. So the last for me is I will explain to you guys about our percentage of operating expenses based on cost and retail price. So for them, we get 34.82%. So from where we get that amount? So we will take operating expenses, then over them with our purchases. Then we will times that by 100. Then we get that amount, which is 34.82%. Then secondly, I will tell you guys how we will get our percentage of net profit based on cost and retail price. So for that we get 88.39%.
So for my part is operating expenses and net profit based on cost price. So for the question E, operating expenses, percentage of operating expenses is 34.82%, and total cost is 112 ringgit. So operating expenses equal percentage of operating expenses times with total cost, which is 34.82 divided by 100 times by 112, and we get RM 39 ringgit. So for question F is net profit. Percentage of net profit is 88.39%. Total cost is 112 ringgit. Net profit is percentage of net profit times with total cost. So 88.39 divided by 100 and times with 112, we get a 99 ringgit. So for the question G is retail price. Retail price equal cost price plus operating expenses and plus net profits. So 112 plus 39 and plus 39, and we get 250 ringgits. Next, for question H is markup or gross profits. Retail price minus cost price. So 250 minus 112, we get 138 ringgits. Percentage of markup is markup divided by cost and times 100. So we get total is 123.21%. Next, for the question I is break-even price. Break-even price equal cost price plus operating expenses, and we get 112 plus 39. So the total up is 137 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so for the last question is J, percentage of maximum markdown. Maximum markdown is equal net profit. To get the percentage of markdown equal net profit divided by the retail price and times with 100. So we get 99 divided by 250 times with 100. So the total up is 39.60%.
So now I will explain to you guys about our operating expenses and net profit based on retail price. So first, about our operating expenses. So as you can see at the top, our percentage of operating expenses is 34.82%. So for our retail price equal to 250 ringgit. So the formula is operating expenses equal to percentage of operating expenses times retail price. So we just need to 34.82%. and then times 250 ringgit, and then we got 87.05 ringgit. So next, for our net profit. So as you can see at the top again, our percentage on net profit is 88.39%. For our retail price is 250 ringgit. So the formula is net profit equal to percentage of net profit times retail price. So 88.39% times 250 ringgit, and we got 220.98 ringgit. So now about our retail price. So the formula is retail price equal to cost price plus operating expenses plus net profit. So 112 plus 87.05 ringgit plus 220.98 ringgit. So the equal we get 420.03 ringgit. Next, for markup or gross profit. So the formula is retail price minus cost price. So 420.03 minus 112 ringgit, and then we got 308.03 ringgit. So percentage of markup, 308.03 divided by 250 times 100. So we got 123.12%. So now about our break-even price. So the formula is cost price plus operating expenses. So our cost price is 112 ringgit and operating expenses 87.05 ringgit, and then we got 199.05 ringgit. Lastly, about our percentage of maximum markdown. So our maximum markdown equal to net profit. So our net profit is 220.98 ringgit. So our percentage of markdown equal to net profit divided by gross profit times 100. So 220.98 ringgit divided by 308.03 times 100, and then we got 71.74%.
For the decision making, we choose a retail price based on cost. Based on the country economy, this price will be affordable and suitable for all customers. We think this is the best price for us to create profit from this business. Secondly, we also think that we can attract more customers with this price. It is because our selling price was so cheap for customers to buy it. So this will be our calculation if we decide to mark up our product at 30%. First and foremost, 30 will divide by 100 and times by 112, and you can get the price of RM 33 ringgit 60 cents. And then for the retail price, 112 will be plus by the base on cost markup, which is the 33 ringgit 60 cents, and you can get RM 45 ringgit 60 cents. And then if you can see, based on the retail price, percentage of markup is 30%. And then after the markup price, the 30 will be divided by 100 and times by 250.
and then you can get the price of RM 75 ringgit. For the retail price, after the base on the retail price, 112 will be plus by the 75 ringgit, and last but not least, you will get the price of RM 187 ringgit.